welcome back to our vegan channel. We've got another great recipe for you today. This one is for polenta fries. This is something that I've been meaning to make for years, and I'm finally getting around to it. My dad used to make this. Well, he's made it for me at least once, and I thought it was really good. And then I never got to make it for myself until now. My husband has decided that he wants to cut down on his consumption of nightshades because he has arthritis and he thinks that it could aggravate it. So nightshades, if you're not familiar with those group of plants, are tomatoes, eggplant, white potatoes, peppers, things like that. No French fries. And tonight we're having a dinner that calls for French fries. At least I say it does. So this is a French fry alternative. This is a corn fry. Because polenta, if you didn't know, is coarsely ground corn grits. So I got some Bob's Red Mill at the store today, polenta mix. And I have a cup of it here. I have double the water in here, so 2 cups of water. So let's get this pan started on the stove. We're going to bring it up to the boil. And once this comes to a boil, we're going to add in our polenta. This recipe is very simple. There's only a few ingredients. The first thing that we're going to do, since the water is boiling, is turn this down to med.
Med.
Then we're going to add our polenta.
What a cute little heart-shaped bowl.
Why, thank you. I got that at my Habitat for Humanity restore. So I gave it new life.
Mm-hmm.
So once this starts to thicken, we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes, just to make sure that it's sucking up all the water. All right, med was actually a little bit too high, so I had to turn it down to low, aka LO. These are the rest of the ingredients, besides a little bit of oil later for frying. We've got some fresh parsley chopped up. We've got some granulated garlic. We've got some Himalayan sea salt, and hiding under the parsley is a little bit of pepper. So we're just going to add our seasoning.
And now you've turned it off.
Yeah, it's off now. So we're just going to give it a stir. You can see it's very thick right now.
Mm-hmm.
You want a good equitable distribution of flavor because you don't want some... If you don't have the seasonings in this, it literally tastes like wallpaper paste. It's like flavorless. So you want to make sure that that gets evenly distributed. And right after we're done mixing, I have a little baking tray that I've prepared with a parchment paper, a slice of parchment paper. Alright, so now we're going to put this on our prepared parchment.
Whoa!
It's very sticky, and what we're going to do is we're going to press it flat to fill the whole sheet. Alright, so maybe this was a little ambitiously sized, or maybe not. Maybe I could stretch it a little bit, but I don't think it's going to fill the whole thing. But try and keep it even, because these are going to be cut into French fries, and you want them all to be about the same size. Alright, so we're going to let this cool to room temperature, and then once it's cool enough to put in the fridge, we're going to put it in there for 1 or 2 hours, and then we'll be ready to finish them up. Guys, these have been in the refrigerator for several hours. I took a sharp knife and I cut them into fry-sized pieces. I sprayed them with a little bit of this avocado oil in the spray bottle, and I'm going to be doing these in the air fryer in 2 batches. So I sprayed the bottom of the air fryer a little bit with the avocado oil, and I'm putting the fries in there. I'm going to put it on the French fry setting and go. Alright, we got the beautiful polenta fries.
They look so nice.
Cooked them, I think it was 18 minutes at 400 in the air fryer in 2 batches. So yeah. They're super crispy. Those just came out, so that's pretty hot.
It smells good.
It's kind of garlicky because we put a lot of garlic in it.
I love garlic.
I know you do.
Ooh, that crunch.
Right?
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a winner.
Oh, yeah.
I guess we're going to have to make a double batch next time.
Yeah, this is not enough.
This is hardly any.
It's not enough. You could even make like cheese fries.
Oh yeah, with some of that Violife cheddar.
I'm just saying your cheese sauce.
Oh yeah, okay. That too. Nice.
That is delicious. Try one.
All right. Nice.
That is really nice, even by itself. But then you add like the ketchup too. It's gonna be heaven.
Or cheese sauce, like you said.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh my god, we need to make those more often.
There you have it, guys. I hope you give it a try if you're trying to avoid nightshades or you just don't want to, if you're tired of potatoes, give it a shot. Very, very simple. You saw how easy it was. So subscribe for more recipes like this or other stuff. And until next time, much love.